In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Bedwars with friends in Minecraft Pocket Edition. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase one of the most popular servers in which you will be able to play Bedwars with your friends. All that you have to do is open the latest version of Minecraft Pocket Edition, make sure that you are not running the beta, and in here tap on Play. Switch over to Servers, and immediately on the list of featured servers, you should be able to find the Hive. As you can see, they actually advertise Bedwars. And keep in mind that Hive is not the only server that has Bedwars on Pocket Edition. You can find this game mode available on other servers, but for this video, this is the one that I'm going to showcase. So if you want to play Bedwars on a very popular featured server, just look for the Hive. It should be here, but if you don't see it, you can manually tap the option to add it. So when you join the Hive, you might have to download some additional resource packs and wait a little while until everything is set up, so just give this time. Once you join, you will be able to browse through all of the game modes, and I'm going to be focusing on the one in the title of this video, Bedwars. It's also the one that they advertise, so it's clearly the most played and popular game mode available on the Hive. So you will load in, and now you can use this game selector compass on your inventory. When you use this, you can browse through the game modes, and like I mentioned multiple times, the most popular one is Bedwars, but they also have Skywars, Skywars Kids, Murder Mystery, Just Build, and so on. So choose whichever mode you would like to play, and if you choose Bedwars, you will be teleported once more into the Bedwars lobby. So now you can play solo, duos, or squads. So you have modes appropriate for playing alone, playing with a friend, or playing with a full squad. You will be able to queue into any of these, so just walk up to these statues, tap on them, and you will load it into a lobby immediately, and now you are good to go. Once people connect, everyone will be able to play together. You can go over to the game settings to see if there's any customization allowed, but for the most part, you won't have to do much. Just wait for the game to start and you will be good to go. After you load in, you can vote for different maps, and you will be able to play Bedwars completely on Minecraft Pocket Edition by joining the featured servers. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Bedwars in Pocket Edition. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.